what I'm on here today, because I do a lot of sampling for some of the current customers I have, and also some of the prospective customers and prospective business partners that I have. So it starts off with this brown bag. And what I'll do, I'll send a link to all of these items once I finish, and you can go on Amazon and actually order these yourself. So this particular brown bag, you get 100 of these for less than $10. Everything that I show you tonight, you can get 50 to 60 to 100 of them, and everything is less than $20, okay? So this is the first thing. I start with this brown bag. Now what's in this brown bag is a smaller bag, okay? This also is on Amazon, so I'll get to what actually goes into this bag. So I select certain products that I'm going to share with people. And the reason why I share them is we have some foundational products that we use, like our 500 Hempranium, okay? This is a base product that I make sure that everyone gets. And what I found is that if we take, what I do in sampling, I actually take a complete syringe full, and there's 30 drops in each syringe. I take those 30 drops and I put that into this amber color valve. This is also on Amazon. You can get 60 of these, less than $20. I'll put 50, excuse me, less than $20. One of these droppers here, you can put up to 15 drops in here. So if you're gonna put 30 in this entire thing, then you know how to tell the prospective business owner or prospective customer how much they should drop. The next thing that I do, I use both the broad spectrum.
Lisa, I'm sorry for a minute. Can you put that dropper a little closer to your camera so we can see it? And because that is really, I had never seen anything that size. And then it has a little dropper inside of it, right?
Yeah, this is 1 milliliter dropper.
Okay, so that means you can you can make 15 of those. Your finger's actually covering it up because it's so tiny. It's so tiny. That's how
it's very small.
Yeah, and you can take 1 bottle of Hempranium and fill up 15 of those. Right. And each one is going to have 30 drops in it, which is if they taking 3 drops twice a day, that'll last them 5 days.
Okay. Now, once you give a person this and they're out of pain, because it gives them, most people, it gives them an opportunity to be pain-free for an extended period of time. When that happens, and then once they run out of it, the pain kicks back in. Not that I want them to be in pain, but our product works, and without it, you're gonna be in pain at the bottom line. So I also give them the power gummies, okay? I also give them the broad spectrum gummy. But what I do, I put each one of those gummies in these small cosmetic containers. Each gummy will fit in, one gummy will fit in here, okay? So what I do to make sure that they know the difference, I'll wrap the full spectrum gummy in this. Then I have the broad spectrum gummy along with this, and I include it with some of our topical cream. Now, when I take that topical cream, I just put no more than a thumbnail's worth into one of these cosmetic things, okay? And then what I do, I put that in one of these little bags, okay? So what you have in there, you have a cosmetic, excuse me, let me turn this around. You have a cosmetic sample of the ointment, and then you have the broad spectrum gummy in one bag. Why I do that is because sometimes they may get confused and they may not know which one contains THC and which one doesn't contain THC. So I put both of the products that either is topical or it is broad spectrum in the same bag, okay? Then I take my THC products and I put those in the same little baggie, okay? Then I take all of that and I put it inside here. And this is big enough so that it can actually hold an entire hympranium. So if you have people that want to purchase directly from your inventory, you can send them, you know, multiple items with this little bag, but you can also use it for your samples. Now I put a label on here if I'm going to mail it, but usually my items are local. So I'll just put it in here, I'll seal it, and then I'll put it in this paper bag. Once I put the items in the paper bag, I call the person and I let them know that I'm going to do one of those drive-bys, almost like the Uber Eats. And so I'll let them know I'm going to leave this on your doorknob, or I'll leave this on your gate. And as some of the people know, because some of the people on the line I've done this with, I'll call you and I'll wait until you come out, and then they'll take their little bag and they go right on in the house, and then I give them a call, and then we go through the use of the products. I also will text them because when you go on the site, there's a little bitty hyperlink at the top that says share with a friend. You can share that particular item with the person that you're talking to via email, okay? So you can actually email these items to them beforehand, or you can send them a text message with the items and go over them while they're on the phone. So I think that's about it. Thank you.